This 2021 Keystone Hideout 38 FKTS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Clyde, Ohio, 43410 and is offered for sale by Town & Country RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 39 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleeps 7. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front kitchen, mid-bunk, rear bath, rear bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Keystone Hideout 38 FKTS is 9,130 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Town & Country RV.